Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome back to our CCNA 200-301 series. Today is day 10. In day 10 we are going to do access point configuration. In our last video we learned about DHCP server. If you miss, please watch that video. And in day 8 we already learned about access point. And now we are going to do the configuration of access point in our packet tracer. So just me remind you and just we revise the access point. So let's start. What is access point? Access point is a device that create a wireless local area network or WLAN, usually in our office or in large building. An access point connect to the wide router switch hub via Ethernet cable and the projects a Wi-Fi signal to a designated area. In other words, or in simple words, we can say access point is a networking hardware device that allow to make the LAN wide area network into Wi-Fi network. That is a basic definition of access point. So today we are going to do the configuration of access point. Here I already told you we are going to take a router, and with that router we will make as a DHCP server, and we have some PCs and everything. Then we have access point. From this access point we are converting the wide network into wireless network. So let me bring the packet tracer, then we will start. So here is my packet tracer. Now we are going to do the lab. So first I will take the router. How we will take the router? Click here and then click here in the dashboard. So you will have the router. Then I will take one switch. Let me take one switch. This is one switch. Then I am going to take some client, that is some laptop. I will take laptop and some PC and laptop both. So we have three machines, that is two laptop and two desktop. Okay, and then we will take one our access point also. We will take access point. So how we will take? We will check here. See here. I will go here. So see here how we will get the access point. We will click here, then in this line we will see this is a wireless device. I clicked at wireless device, and from here we will take access point. So we will take any access point. Let me take this one. I will take this APT, this one. This is our access point, and then I will take the automatic cable. I am taking the automatic cable. Let me connect this computer to the switch. This also here, this also here, and this all laptop is connected to switch, and this is connected to router, and from our switch to we have the access point. Then I am going to take some wireless devices, like I will take a smartphone, and this is our smart device, wireless device, and I will take one more, and then I will take one laptop also. So this is one laptop also. So see, our smartphone is connecting to the access point. Here this access point is converting the wide network into wireless network. So we need to configure this all. So what we will do first, let me open this laptop. We will arrange the LAN card here. So let me zoom in, and this is a laptop. I will switch off and I will remove this port, and we need to put the wireless port here because this need to connect to laptop. I click here. See this module. What is the module name? You can check. This is wireless hardware. Links is WC module provide this one wireless interface. So I will take this module. Let copy and paste here. So we have now wireless. Now I will switch on the laptop. This one. Okay. So now it also connected to our access point, because all the names are by default present here like a default password. So it is connecting, but we will configure each and everything. So our main aim, first our aim is to configure this server, this router as a DHCP server, and then get the IP as a dynamically for our machines as well as for this one, and then we are going to configure the access point. So before let me open this one, the router, and we are going to do the configuration for this router. So we cannot see the port. So I will go in the option, I will go in the preference, and then I will always show the port label. Then I will say okay. Now we have the port label. So you can see this port is F0 by 0. Okay. So we need to configure at port F0 by 0. So let me make a little more attractive with colors and everything. So what I will do, I will take this color and then fill color, and let me take this color, and this is our area here. Okay, this is like this, and then I will take another color, maybe this one, and this will be here. Okay, so then after that let me do, and then I will take this a little up. Okay, so now I need to configure here DHCP server in the router. So what I will do, I will open the notepad. Let me open the notepad, then we will write the configuration. Okay, so let me bring the notepad here, and then I will write the configuration, and I will move this here. So now let's start. I think you remember already how we configure and DHCP server. Okay, but anyhow I will start from starting. DHCP server is nothing but a server which gives the IP address automatically to our machine, as we discussed already before this one. So now we will do the router configuration. How we will do the router configuration? We will go first in the enable mode. I am writing here enable mode, then config T, then we will write host name. After that we will write host name as a DHCP server. You can write any host name. Then we are going for interface F0/0. Why we are writing F0/0? Because this interface is F0/0. Okay, then I am going to assign the IP address. What IP we will give? We will give 192.168.1.1. I will give 192.168.1.1. And what is the subnet mask? As we already know, this is a class C, and class C subnet mask is 255.255.255 and 0. And then we will write no shut, because by default all Cisco ports are shut down. So this is the basic configuration to assign the IP address to the router. So from here to here the IP assigned to this port. Now we need to do the configure the DHCP server. So in our last video we already learned how to configure, but anyhow I will do the configuration of DHCP here. So what I will write? I will write IP DHCP pool. Then we need to write any name. I will write ABC. You can, after pool we can define any name. So I am defining as a ABC. Then default router, and then we will give our router interface IP 192.168.1.1. okay, after that we need to assign what network we need to give. We need to write network, then network ID, then subnet mask. So network ID is 192.168.1.0 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. so these are the configuration for our DHCP server. So what I will do, I will copy this configuration and then I will paste in the router. This router is open and we will write no here. Then I am going to paste the configuration here. So see, here we have, this is okay, this is okay. Here we have some issue. What we miss? Default. We miss the L. That's why we have issue. So let me correct the spelling of default. DFAULT. I forget the T. So we need to write default. So now we will copy again same configuration and then we will paste. Okay. So this by typing mistake we will have so many errors. We need to concentrate and do that one. So I am pasting this again. See, now everything is okay. Okay. So this configuration is done. Now I will save the configuration WR. Now configuration is also saved. So now let me paste the configuration here also in the packet tracer, so you will have the idea. And if anyone need this lab, comments your email ID, write your email ID in the comments, so I will send you this packet tracer file also. Okay, so this is a configuration what we done, and let me assign the IP address here. I will write 192.168.1.1. this is the IP here we assign. So this one finished, the port work is finished. Now we need to configure this access point also. So what we will click this one, then we are inside here. I will click this maximize. Then what we will do, we will go here. We will see in the configuration, the access point display name is this one. We will go in the setting. Then we will go interface. Let me go in the global. See here in the port, we need to go in the global. Then you will see description what is SSID. SSID is written as default. We need to give whatever our wireless Wi-Fi network password. We need to give network password as well as network name. We need to give here our Wi-Fi name. So what name? I will write ABC. So this ABC is our Wi-Fi password name. Then we will click here and we will assign the password. I will give password 12345. Okay, 12345. So our Wi-Fi username is ABC, and password here they are asking me write more minimum 8 characters. So let me write here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Did you understand? We will go here. We will click global configuration. Then we are here, and I wrote the Wi-Fi name as ABC, and then I selected the authentication and I put the password 1, 2, 3 and 10. Okay. We can see what more option we have. We have many option here. We can change the speed and we can do many configuration here. In setting, we can rename the display name of that one. And so it is basic. It is very easy. Just go in the global configuration and then go in the port 1. You will have this one. You write the SSI ID. This SSI ID is nothing but a Wi-Fi name, and then write the password and then close. So this configuration is done. And our smartphone is not connecting to this one because we changed already the Wi-Fi name as well as we put the password. That's why they are unable to connect. So what we need to do, we need to click in our smart device, that is a smartphone, then go in the configuration and go in the here. This is a smart name, and what we will do, we will go here wireless 0, and in wireless 0 this is SSID. Here default we need to give the name, our Wi-Fi name we need to write. So our Wi-Fi name is ABC. Then we need to select the authentication and give the password. So what is password? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So these are the password. Let me close this, and it will take some time and it will connect to our Wi-Fi network. See, it is connected. We will do same thing here. We will click and we will go in the configuration, and then in configuration we will click wireless 0, and here we will change from default to our Wi-Fi name ABC, and then we will select the authentication and we will put the password. For example, we are taking 1 2 3 and till 10. This is the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is our basic password. Okay, and then what we will do, I will go to the laptop, and in laptop we need to go in the configuration wireless 0, and here we need to go to here, change the Wi-Fi name to ABC, and then we will select here and we will assign the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I'm taking a small password, basic, simple, so you can remember. So here see, after few seconds this laptop is also going to connect here. See, all these devices are connected. So now our access point is configured and it is connected. We need to assign here IP. So it is already selected DHCP, and they get the IP from the DHCP server 192.168.1.5. This device already get, and this device, let's see here, they get 1.6, and this laptop, let me check what IP get the laptop got 1.2 with DHCP server. And then we will go here and we will change this static to DHCP, and it will request the IP to DHCP server, and it is successful. We get the IP 192.168.1.7. okay, same thing we will go here and we will change this to DHCP, and it will get the IP address 1.8. Same thing we will do in configuration in desktop, then change from static to DHCP. Then automatically we have. Then I will go to laptop, then I will change from desktop, then here, then I will change to DHCP. We have 1.10. So now we need to check this smartphone can communicate with this computer or not. Okay, so we are going to ping from here to here. The IP address for this PC is, we already get 192.168.1.7. okay, So I am going to ping from here. How we will check internet is working or not? We will go in the command prompt and I will put ping 192.168.1.7. okay, and reply is coming, means our smart devices which is working on the Wi-Fi is able to communicate with the network which is working on wide device, means this wireless is working with wide network. Okay, did you understand? If you have any doubts, anything, please write in the comments. I will explain you. And if you need this configuration file, please send me, put your email ID in the comment and write you need this lab file. I will send you. Okay, so this is a basic lab to configure the access point. If you have any confusion, anything, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel. See you. Bye.